the table. We start putting it together. This is what you're gonna get if you order these machines online. This is the Jack Shirley one. It's a regular single needle sewing machine with integrated motor inside. We're gonna show you this is what comes with it to tighten this up, and this is how it goes. You have a screw with a little base on the bottom. You tighten this up. If you want to push it to the back, you can move it to the back. You can move it to the front. It's pretty easy to assemble. This is nothing complicated. Right over here, you have one screw. The base is loose. We could push it to the back. We could push it to the front. This, you have screws here. You could raise the table up and down. Whatever you want to do. This is all adjustable depending on the height that you needed it. Like I said, this is what you're gonna get. Your presser foot right here. Then we're gonna show you how to put the head all together. You're gonna get 4 wheels like that with also a bracket. This one here, this is gonna be a bracket that you're gonna use it because the wheels, since they're about 3 inches high, you know, this is gonna be too high. So that's why it comes with this bracket for you. So what we do, we just, you know, set it up. You got 4 screws here, you can miss it. Here you have 2 screws. You could use the other one if you want it to be higher. You could adjust the height on it. You're gonna get these screws. You're gonna get a drawer, ball joint. This is a foot pedal. We're gonna show you step by step how to put it together. Very easy, very convenient for you to do it. So we're gonna show you everything, okay? We have now put in the wheels, as you can see here. We had just finished installing the wheels. As you can see, this is why we have this bracket here to raise the foot. So this is more likely to be easy for you to operate it on these machines, okay? Remember, this is for the Jack Shirley one. Very nice machine, very well constructed with a direct drive motor. We're gonna setting one up here to show you how the machine looks like. Here we have the table. We already flip it over. This is the back side of the table. And the front is on the facing the floor. We have a cardboard on it so it doesn't get damaged. So what you wanna do, you wanna basically put it here 1.5 inch on the back, and exactly here 4.5 inch on the side. This is where the thread stand goes. So what you want to do, you want to do 4.5 inches here, and you want to do 1.5 inch in the back. This is the front side. This is where the switch is going to go. So you want to leave a space on the front, 1.5 inches in the back, 4.5 inch on the side. Make sure you do the 4.5 inch here also, okay? And then in the back you do the same thing, 1.5 inches in the back, both sizes. This one you do, first you put a screw here, make sure you got it at 1.5, then you put another screw over there at 1.5, and then you tighten in the front of it. Make sure you got 4.5 inches here, okay? We're installing the brackets in the back. These are the hinges, Euro hinges are called. We use this little more small nails that comes with it. We're just gonna hammer it in now. This is what you're gonna get in the box. All these accessories, you have the foot lifter, you have the thread stand, the bobbin winder in here also. You also have the control box, very important. I'm gonna show you how to put everything back together later. Make sure we get this inside nice and easy. That's where it's supposed to go, just like that. See, you put this first. This is the umbrella that's gonna lift the foot up for you. This is a rest pin. This goes in the back so that when you tilt the machine to the back, this is what holds it in. We have what's called the box, control box. This is what's gonna do. It's gonna activate your machine when you press on the foot pedal here. So what you wanna do, you wanna install it straightforward with your presser foot right over here. You see it's straight. If you look at it from the front, it's completely straight. So actually what we do, we put it in from the back of the machine, right over there, 5 inches from the back of the machine. 5 inches from the back of the machine, we install the control box. This is what's gonna pull your foot control down. All right? If you look at the foot pedal here, you're sitting in this is the back of the machine, sitting on the front. On the right side, you wanna have 2 straight lines like that, and then you install the foot, you push it all the way to the right, and this is how we measure it. See, 1 and 2, measure all the way to this right hand side, and put it over there. The other one is gonna look like that, okay? Remember, this is the back of the machine right here. We have the power box. If you look at it, you know, from underneath, it goes with 2 screws. So what you wanna do, you wanna put a 1/2 inch to the front. See, 1/2 inch to the front, and from left, from here, the actually base goes just 6 inches from here. 6 inches from the edge to just about 1/2 inch on the front. So you can see, right, with that's a square box. And what this does, it just gave you the power to the machine. So the cables comes from the back of the machine. These are the cables that come from the back of the machine, and it connects right over here. As you can see, these are the cables that come, one for the foot pedal right here. This is for the machines, and this is the one that activate this one. So this is the front of the machine, 1/2 inch here in the front, 6 inches from the left to over here, and that's what it is. You know, you just put some staples on it right over there. The inside of it, put some couple of staples, and that's it. Here's the machine now already finished. We have installed the thread stand right over here, as you could see. This is the hole I was showing you before. This is the rest pin for the machine. This hole in the back here, it's for the wires to go through right over here. So everything looks to be very nice. You have your drawer here with instruction. Everything, the foot lifting is working okay. You could try this one now. Here we have the control box. Now on the control box, I will explain you how it works, so you understand once you get there. If you want to change the speed in here, you want to press the P here on the control. Once you have pressed the P, once you have the U, you press the S, and then there's 2,000 stitches per minute. If you keep going, you could increase it to 3,000 stitches per minute. Once you have it there, you press P, and then the machine is going to start now on the 3,000 stitches per minute. See, it will give you, when you press, it will show you the maximum speed. Now, to rechange it, if you want to go slow, it's too fast, you press the P. Once you get the U, then you press this one and you keep going. This is going to go all the way up, and then it's going to start coming down again. It goes back to 0. Now it's, let's say now it's 1,000 stitches per minute, so I press on it. The machine now is going to be going slow. As you can see, even though I press all the way down, the machine go very slow. As you can see there, it will go only 1,000. So when I press, the max is going to be 1,000 stitches per minute, 1,000 RPM. Now it's too slow. I want to change it. I press the P. Once you have the U, you press on it. You keep pressing on the U. Let's make it into 2,500 stitches per minute, RPM, pre-speed. The machine now is going to go at 2,500 stitches per minute, which is the most popular stitches per inches that people use. Remember, this is the speed control. Once you press the P, just let it go. If you turn the machine off, when you turn the machine back on, your speed control, what it means is that it's on P. So you turn it on. This is going to show you 2,700 stitches per minute. That means P means the machine is rotating on the correct direction. There you go. The machine is ready to go now. The customer is going to receive it today, Monday, the 30th. City Sewing in New York. Let's go. Let's pack it up, send it to the customer. The machine is ready to go. Jack, Charlie, very popular machine, very strong and very good. Okay.